SUMP is Streets Utilities Maintenance Program. The city went and drove every street in town, looked at work orders for water, wastewater, drainage, put that into a comprehensive plan based on percentages. Once all those percentages were put in, then projects were devised based upon the certain criteria that is in the program to identify the streets and utilities that need maintenance or complete replacement the most. In the SUMP program, there are different types of maintenance that is recommended to be completed. For instance, there's preventative maintenance, which is crack sealing, fog seal, slurry seal, which is the generalized, easy things that we can do to maintain the roads, make them last longer so we don't have to spend so much money in complete reconstruction. And then there's a general just mill and overlay where we go in and we take 1 to 3 inches of the asphalt off if the base is good, and then we relay the asphalt. And we look at curbs and gutters and things as well. We try to complete those as needed during those types of programs. And then you get into a combination of the two where you might have a little bit of mill and overlay work, but you also have some base repair that needs to be completed. And then you get into full reconstruction of the streets. And that's where we go in and we take, just completely redo the street, completely redo the curb and gutter. It's the most expensive process we have, but it's the most long-lasting process we have. So depending on what condition the street is and the curb and gutters there, then we make a decision on what type of process we need to put into play to go forward and try to maintain the street, reconstruct the streets.